I saw this thing on TikTok that said that you're supposed to brush your teeth the second you wake up. Like, make it the very first thing you do. I don't do that. And now I'm convinced all my teeth are gonna fall out. Good morning, babes. How are you doing today, babe? Today we're going to be following a bit of an that girl morning routine. Because evidently I am that girl. Who wouldn't want to be me? Probably a lot of people. I'm gonna be showing you this is not a clever idea. I'm gonna be showing you a few things that I do in the morning to really set me up for the day. Make myself my most productive, make myself feel my best, nothing revolutionary, and nothing that you cannot integrate into your morning routine. Yes, starting my morning off with Lauren Geraldo is an essential part. Obviously, starting my morning off with skincare. I am so puffy this morning. It's literally a joke. Call me crazy, but I swear the air conditioning in my flat makes my face swell. Because when I go home, it's nowhere near as puffy as when it is in London. You also need to successfully make sure you get it absolutely everywhere and all over you. Oh my god. I'm gonna put on some vitamin C collagen serum. It feels so nice and cooling on the skin. Do I look pretty? I'm a pretty girl. I'm still not awake. Just made my bed. Honestly, I know everyone says it, but making your bed in the mornings will stop you getting back into it. Apparently, it also enforces productivity because if you make making your bed one of your first tasks in the morning, then you know you've already completed something and it just sets you up into a mindset. Don't ask me who or where I got that from. Speaking of, I, growing up, believed some of the weirdest things. This girl once told me at school that Louis Spence had a lisp because he was in the army and a bomb exploded in his face. I fully believed it. Told it to my family with my whole chest, and they still use it against me to this day. Also, guys, another random note. I've got this weird, like, drinks obsession. If you know me, especially when I'm hungover, I have to order, like, every single drink ever. I need every single different carbonated beverage, especially in my system. I did a huge drinks order this morning. Like, genuinely got 2 huge Gorillas bags full. Talking of Gorillas, actually, I'm gonna leave a code on screen here. It's a really cool, like, grocery, obviously this is not sponsored, really cool grocery delivery service, and they like deliver it to your door in like 10 minutes. They've also got loads of veggie, vegan stuff. Even got things like light bulbs. They sell adult things on Zap now. If you've seen, you've seen. Interesting, very interesting. Never did I think you could get a loaf of bread and a certain something else in the same shop, but here we are. I thought I'd share with you my favourite drink at the moment. I don't know if they actually do anything, but I'll tell myself they do. It's a vitamin D one and a vitamin C one. Supports your immune system, healthy bones. Wow. It Girls Drink Vitamin Drink. Just quickly before we carry on with this video, because I know I'm gonna get loads of questions. The matching tracksuit that I'm wearing is in fact from Gymshark, and I'm so excited to let you all know that I'm working with Gymshark on this next couple minutes of the video. It is no lie and no secret that I spend 90% of my life in tracksuits. Make it make sense that I turn an entire room in this apartment into a wardrobe room for me to wear tracksuits every single day, but would I have it any other way? Absolutely not. I also think matching tracksuits actually look really put together. I think a matching tracksuit, hair up, high pony, 2 little front bits down, big pair of hoops, loads of gold jewelry. You've got a little model off-duty vibe going on. This is what the Gymshark one looks like. It's got this really nice Gymshark branding on it. It's a really lovely dark grey, so it looks nice with a tan or when you're pale. So big, so oversized. I got both my joggers and my jumper in a size medium, so it's super slouchy, super comfy. Joggers have like an adjustable tie, and then obviously they're just elasticated at the bottom. I also like to sort of fold over waistbands of joggers, so that's like a little bit more low-waisted. Obviously Gymshark is a gym wear brand, but I wear like active wear. What's it called? Athleisure. Athleisure just embodies like power walk. It doesn't look like that. Do you know what I mean? Like an athleisure mum. I'm in my athleisure speed walking era. If you guys would like to shop at Gymshark, I'm gonna have all the appropriate information down below. You don't have to wear Gymshark, it's just in the gym. I've been wearing their leggings all the time at the moment because I am going on so many walks. In fact, I think I'll wear this hoodie today with a pair of Gymshark leggings on my walk. But yeah, be sure to go and check them out. And once again, thank you so much to Gymshark for working with me on this part of the video. I'm an it girl. See, it girls wear matching tracksuits. You heard it here first. I don't wear makeup every single day, but I really do enjoy just even putting a teeny tiny little bit on. Once again, I think it's just even taking 10 minutes for yourself to do something nice. I also think when I put makeup on, I'm kind of in games mode, you know? It makes me feel a little bit nicer about the way I look, and it does just make me feel more put together. Obviously, everyone's different. For some people, wearing no makeup is really empowering. The days like today where I don't have any big, real, actual commitments, but I do still want to take that time, I'll really focus on my skin makeup. So making it super bronzy, super glowy, natural, soft, model off duty vibes. Because I'm actually a model. I am a model. You guys, blush is just my best friend ever. This is an old limited edition Kiko one, but get a blush with shimmer in it and then really buff it into your cheeks. I feel like the more that you buff it, is that too much? Never too much. I feel like the more you buff it into your cheeks, the more the shimmer comes out. I'm just getting so nervous to see you, babe. I also bring blush up onto my forehead a little bit sometimes. It genuinely saddens me that blush has not always been a trendy thing. I deprived myself of this rosy glow for years, and for what? I also really like to focus on my brows. Apparently the bigger and bushier your eyebrows, the more youthful you look. Talking of youthful, I'm actually so intrigued. If you saw me, okay, walking along the street, how old would you think I am? Obviously height has got a lot to do with it, and you can never gauge someone's you can never gauge someone's height online. Oh my god, when I tell you, you can never gauge someone's height online. Every single time I'm at an event and I sort of see a YouTuber there, or an influencer, or even a celebrity, they're always so much shorter than I'd imagine. Little Mix, they are like 4 foot. Those girls are teeny tiny. Also, the fact that Kim Kardashian is my height, 5'3", terrifying. I think because celebrities just have such like a powerful presence, you expect them to literally all be 7 foot. It's too much for my little brain to handle that if me and Kim Kardashian stood back to back, we'd be identical height. I think I look 19. I'd go 19. Something else I was thinking about the other day was, obviously I'm turning 21, and you stop growing and developing when you're 21, right? Am I going to look like this for the rest of my life? Does that mean I'm going to start losing collagen as well? Oh my god, girls, a lot to think about. Get me on the preventative Botox. That was a joke. I'm not starting preventative Botox. Ooh, a little natural slay going on. You see that? No mascara. Just brows, glowy, flushed, healthy skin. Flushed? Or does it really look like I've just gone on like a 5-mile run? I am going to show you how to make the world's best sandwich. Bold claim, I know, but I said it with my chest. Are you fucking serious? Is this a joke? Okay, maybe we're not. I ordered all the stuff to show you how to make my favourite sandwich because I didn't have any bread, and all the bits that I needed, they didn't deliver. Oh, shoot me whilst I'm already down. It go. It go. I was going to give my sister one as well. My sister's actually coming over. We're going to go on a nice walk together, which will be really lovely. Right. Oh my god, why does this smell like a man? Right, enough sitting around. It's time to get the fucking tunes on. Wearing perfume, even if you're going to spend all day inside the house. Elite form of self-care. This is one of my favourites at the moment, the YSL Black Opium. It smells incredible. Hey, babe. How are you? Yeah, I'm good. How are you feeling? Huh? How are you feeling?
I'm feeling very
Yeah, we got 2 hungover sisters in the building today. Oh my god, they're a blast from the past.
I know. I ordered these drunk on Christmas Eve.
Oh, I do. Guys, who remembers Beats? If you have Beats, especially the rose gold ones, you're a baddie.
Yeah, for real. I actually saw a girl with rose gold ones on the train yesterday.
Cruising around, Fiat 500.
For real.
Rose gold Beats. When they buy Dr. Dre?
Yeah, Beats by Dre.
Yeah.
That's what we were saying.
What has Dr. Dre actually
He's a
come out?
rapper.
Yeah, but what songs has he got?
He did that like really famous one that's like dun, 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 dun,
Didn't he do-
dun, dun, dun,
Oh,
dun,
yeah.
bam,
I
bam.
thought that was Snoop Dogg, lol.
It is Snoop Dogg.
Oh.
But it's on 2001 by Dr. Dre.
Didn't he do Oh, to see without my eyes?
What? Isn't that the fuck are you talking about?
Yeah, I was trying to be funny. Look at my nails.
Oh the weather today is crazy.
Just says a lot about.
Look at mine too.
Says a lot. Look how long they are.
Oh my god, I have some terrible, terrible gossip that you can't put in your video.
Okay, girls, catch you in a bit. Hey, girl queens! I've got Sophia and Cinzia playing in the background, and it is a Saturday, so I'm going to go out and see some friends. But before I go, I thought I'd make myself a cheeky little beveragino. I'm going to share with you the best, in my opinion, Aperol recipe ever. I mean, I can't really call it an Aperol because, well, you'll see. I like to put my own twist on it, and that twist being making it taste as least like alcohol, as least like is that English? As least like alcohol as possible. Obviously, I put my Aperol in and then top it up with some Prosecco. Tell me how I literally drank a full bottle of Prosecco in one night. By a little bit of Prosecco, I mean a little bit, the remnants. I then commit a serious mixologist crime and add a bit of 7-Up in. I know you're supposed to put soda water in, but honestly, lemonade and Aperol just hits different. I don't want to hear anything else. Don't hate the player, hate the game. Look at the size of my ice cubes as well. Really bring me a lot of joy. And cheers to that, honeybees. Simmons. Say hi.
What, are you on editing?
Yeah. Guys, it girls apparently also take it way too far. Oh my god. So everyone, that wraps up and concludes the end of this video. I really hope you all enjoyed spending the day with me. I love you all so much. Thank you. What? Look at my head. I'm like so hungover giggly. I love you all so much. We love you all so much. Me and Emily. It's not funny. I've got skills. Me and Emily were saying we're literally like, you know, people have like comfort dogs, like what are they called, like anxiety pet. Like what do you know what I mean?
Like support animal.
A support animal. We are each other's support animal. Kind of wholesome. Love you. Bye.
Yeah.
Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Oh my god, look at my fingers.